There's a floor plan that was born in 1800s New Orleans, abandoned for nearly a century, and is quietly making one of the most surprising comebacks in modern home design. Architects are applying it to barndominiums right now, and the results are stunning, cheaper to build, and smarter than almost anything being built today. Stay through this because the design feature that made this floor plan famous 200 years ago is the same reason it works so perfectly inside a barndominium today. And there's one cost advantage to this layout that your builder will never volunteer. It can save you $18,000 to $28,000 before you pick a single finish. The shotgun floor plan originated in New Orleans in the early 1800s, brought to America by West African and Haitian immigrants who understood something about hot climates, narrow lots, and efficient living that most modern builders have completely forgotten. For over 100 years, it dominated Southern architecture. Then air conditioning arrived, suburbs expanded, and the shotgun house got left behind. In 2026, it's coming back, and barndominiums are the reason why. What is a shotgun floor plan? The concept is almost brutally simple. Rooms arranged in a perfectly straight line from front to back. No hallways, no wasted circulation space. Every room connects directly to the next. Front door opens into the living room connects to the dining room connects to the kitchen connects to the bedroom at the back. Open every door and you see straight through the entire house from front to back. That's where the name comes from, the old saying that you could fire a shotgun through the front door and the bullet would exit the back without hitting a single wall. Typical width, 12 to 20 feet. Typical length, 40 to 80 feet. Small footprint, maximum efficiency, zero wasted square footage. Why it works for barndominiums? Here's where it gets interesting. Metal barndominium buildings are naturally narrow and long, typically 30 to 50 feet wide and 40 to 80 feet deep. That rectangular footprint is almost identical to the shotgun floor plan's DNA. Most barndominium designers fight that shape. They try to force open concepts, complicated layouts, and awkward room arrangements into a structure that was never meant for them. The shotgun layout works with the barndominium's natural shape instead of against it. No complex framing, no load-bearing walls interrupting the layout, no hallway eating 120 square feet of your budget for zero functional purpose. The barndominium shell becomes exactly what it was always meant to be, a clean, efficient, straight-line structure. The cost advantage. This is the number your builder won't volunteer. Here's why shotgun barndominiums cost less to build. No hallway construction. Traditional home layouts dedicate 10 to 15% of total square footage to hallways. On a 1,200 square foot build, that's 120 to 180 square feet of floor, ceiling, drywall, and flooring you're paying for, but never actually living in. Eliminating hallways saves $8,000 to $14,000. Simpler foundation. Narrow rectangular slab is the cheapest foundation shape per square foot. No bump outs, no complex corners, no additional formwork. Saves $4,000 to $8,000 versus irregular footprints. Simplified roofline. One continuous ridge from front to back. No valleys, no dormers, no complex intersections where leaks happen and labor costs spike. Saves $3,000 to $6,000 versus complicated roof designs. Total savings $15,000 to $28,000 versus a traditional barndominium layout of equivalent square footage. Same build, same materials, smarter shape. The natural cooling secret. The original shotgun house didn't have air conditioning. It didn't need it because the layout itself was the air conditioning. Open the front door and the back door simultaneously. Prevailing winds enter from the front, travel the full length of the house without obstruction, and exit the back. Every room gets cross ventilation. Every room benefits from moving air. In a standard barndominium with walls, doors, and hallways interrupting the airflow, that natural ventilation gets strangled before it ever reaches the back rooms. The shotgun layout removes every obstacle.
Air moves freely from front to back the same way it did in 1820. In moderate climates with good wind exposure, shotgun barndominium owners report running their AC 20 to 30% less during shoulder seasons. At $200 to $300 per month in summer cooling costs, that's $500 to $1,000 per year back in your pocket every single year you live there. Modern shotgun barndominium layouts. Here's what architects are actually designing right now. The classic shotgun, 1,000 square feet, 20 feet wide, 50 feet long. Living, dining, kitchen, 1 bedroom, 1 bath in a straight line. Front porch, back porch. Simple, elegant. $110,000 to $145,000 to build. The double shotgun, 1,400 square feet. 2 parallel shotgun layouts side by side, 40 feet wide total, sharing a central wall. 4 rooms per side. Perfect for multi-generational living. 2 families, 1 structure, complete privacy. $155,000 to $188,000 to build. The architect's argument. Here's why architects are paying attention. The housing crisis has forced a rethink of what efficient living actually means. The average American home is 2,500 square feet. The average American spends 40% of that square footage on rooms they rarely use, formal dining rooms, guest bedrooms that sit empty 340 days a year, hallways that connect nothing meaningful. The shotgun floor plan eliminates every one of those compromises. Every square foot is occupied, every room is used, every inch earns its place in the layout. In a barndominium, that efficiency is amplified. Lower build cost per square foot, lower energy bills, lower maintenance. A home that costs less to build and less to live in every single year. That's not nostalgia, that's the smartest argument in modern home design. A floor plan born 200 years ago in New Orleans, designed by people with no air conditioning, no complex building tools, and no wasted space, turns out to be one of the most intelligent designs for a 2026 barndominium. Cheaper to build, cooler to live in, 0 wasted square footage, and a straight-line simplicity that makes every barndominium shell work exactly the way it was meant to. The architects figured it out. Now you know it too. Are you building a barndominium? Drop your state in the comments. I want to know where shotgun barndominiums should be going up next. And if this changed how you think about floor plans, subscribe to the channel. Build smarter, not bigger.